Jocko, load up. Rain. Good job. Good job. Fully loaded.
I wanna be the one you girl.
He made it. Woo.
Go. See you right now.
Oh my gosh. What? I like doing it. I'm lazy.
Woo. Welcome to our crib. We got the front porch. Got the dog studio. You dig? Our Deception Pass crib. You heard me? 2-bedroom. Sister's probably about to come. Whoo, child. Yeah, Unc, we got that. Uncle Bunny in the house. And Victoria, you heard me? Wow. Yeah, see, you just gotta keep playing. You never know, Herb. Oh, I got Timmy's point on cam. Let's go, dude. Let's go, Action Jackson. I almost got yours. Oh, look at Timmy. She's playing. Let's go. Oh, did she make it in, right? Yep. Got the volley up. We'll watch a match. Oh, geez. Oh, let's see what you got, Lee. Let's see what you got, man. Oh. Oh.
Let's go, Milo. Show them what you got, baby. Let's go. Yeah! Let's go.
Damn. Let's go, Tay-Tay. In the motherfucking house.
The fuck?
Oh.
Hold on.
Chant 2 in the motherfucking house. Whoopsie! Ooh! Oh. Ooh, look at that sunset. You heard me. Yeah. I might be fat, but I can swim. I can swim.
She says that, but she will.
Sun up, going into sundown. Cornhole, you heard me? Oh, yeah.
Oh, what the hell? How's the slide over there?
Oh, yeah. Step on into our guest house. Somebody doesn't want to put up a tent just for the night, keep them safe. A little pillow, a little bed. Let's go. It's dying down.
Far right. Far right.
Pour right on the top.
Yeah, that's off top. Yeah, like you don't ever like put in an effort to get the door. So that's it.
That sounds like bushes, bruh. I didn't hear ping.
With some of your brother-in-law. I'm like,
Oh, you fucking bitch. I got a fucking.
Look at our roommates. We got our roommates in here. And over there. Walk out of our crib. Ryan, come on. Oh yeah, like a villain? Yes sir. Ryan, come on. Then we go from across the street. We got one more, two more, three more. One back there. What's that game called again? Bocce ball. Nope, that's short. So you throw a little ball and you try to get close to it. I got blue right here. I think I got me another point.
there's a green behind the blue.
Yes, no! There's the yellow ball. There's his ball. Let's see what Johnny Thigh got.
Oh yeah, that look good. That look good.
Oh, shit. It rolled over by Mountain Dukes.
Damn.
Let's see what Gookie got. Oh! Oh! Oh, wait.
There's a freaking twig there.
Let's go.
I'll take a point. I'll take one.
Damn. After all that, somebody's. Wow.
I don't think there's that many.
Okay, so when you BS, what happens?
If you lose, we can do one of two things. Toothpaste or blueberry. So blue is good either way.
Damn, I thought it was gonna be the next. Can't even see, and they're still out here. Enough light just to throw some. Woo! No, that's my word.
Something's up. Me.
I thought Jennifer's playing.
Blanket.
Oh, that's good.
Wait, Jennifer. Oh, it's me next? Yeah.
Let me get a cup.
Something soft. Hey. Something soft. Rice. What?
Rice is soft.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it.
Cotton candy.
Linens.
You gotta hit your butter.
Oh, oops. And that's a wrap. Somebody had a long weekend.
I've been thinking non-stop. I wanna be the one you girl. Early morning